Hi, we're here with Mr. Agile, otherwise known as Mark Lane, founder of Platinum Edge, author of Agile Project Management for Dummies and Scrum for Dummies. We're going to go over some commonly asked questions by students and clients. Do defects exist for Scrum teams?
Well, defects exist for Scrum teams. The difference under a Scrum model is that we're going to fully build product. And what we mean by that is we're going to elaborate the requirements, design them, develop them, test them, integrate them, document them, and have them approved. And so when we work on a requirement, we're going to work on it to completion. We're then going to bring that to the customer representative, and under a Scrum model, that's called the product owner. They're going to work with it discretionarily. From that point, when the product owner accepts that requirement, if down the road there's something that they don't like about that requirement, that's fine, right? What we normally say is don't go and label it a defect, don't label it a bug, right? Which sort of says to the dev team, you did something wrong, because they didn't. Go ahead and write a requirement that says, hey, we accepted this existing requirement as is, but now we have better information and we want to have some changes to it. Go ahead and write a user story for that, put it in the product backlog so that we can prioritize that work against our existing work. So do they exist? They do, but they often exist within the sprint itself where the team can correct it before it actually goes out to the marketplace. This is absolutely critical because it is exponentially cheaper to prevent a defect than it is to try to rip a defect out of a deployed system. And under a waterfall model, that's mostly what you're doing, ripping defects out of deployed systems.